Hey YouTube, it's Sean, Griffin RC Planes. Well, happy Friday to everybody. I hope everybody had a good week. My week has been stressed out to the max. I'm talking the max. Yeah, over there. My whole situation with my mom, it's quite a bit. And last week she slipped and fell. And long story short is this past Tuesday she's had hip surgery, and it was such a big deal that, all surgeries are a big deal, but this was a big deal where at this huge hospital where she's at, there was only 3 people qualified to do what she needed done, and anyway, so it was pretty intense. And plus, she's already had both hips replaced, so this was something that broke that the fake hip goes into. So it's a big deal, and it's bad all the way around. So Mom's still in the hospital. I've got her dogs here with me and Brutus, and 3 is a crowd. Let me tell you something, it's a crowd. So I'm surprised I can do this right now. So anyways, one day at a time, right? But we're gonna unbox the Night Timber X for the 3rd time because dun, 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 our buddies over at Horizon sent one servo. They sent one servo. I was hoping they'd send a pallet of them or something, but they sent one. So here it is, Friday night. It's about 9:30 at night, my time. I'm gonna throw this servo in. I'll show you guys a couple couple of video clips on me installing it, just to show you how I put it in there. And the rest of the plane I'm just going to build, and we're going to try this again, the Maiden flight, tonight. So maybe within an hour and a half after this video being posted, I should have a battery charged and ready to go to my nighttime airport and try to give this thing another shot. And of course, you guys will go along for the ride for the Maiden flight, the Night Timber X, on the 2nd time. So, hey, that's all I got for this one. I can't say thank you guys enough, and I really appreciate all the new subscribers. It's awesome, guys. It's really cool. With all this stress, and 3's a crowd with Mom's dogs over here, that when I check the YouTube subscriber count and I see it going up each day, that really helps out. So, all right, guys. Hey, until next time. You'll see me here. Yep. All right. Bye-bye. If you want to win this jet, all you have to do is subscribe, click the notification bell, and the like button. Then check back with me from time to time and see my new videos. Once we get to 1,000, we're going to do a drawing. I had a drawing at 100, and only 30% signed up. With those odds, it could be a 1 in 300 chance. Subscribe. Check me out, guys.